Hello friends, how are you? This is Dr. Srinagi, Ayurveda and medicine doctor and also Isha Hatha yoga teacher. Most of the times there are two kind of complaints which oftenly people come to me and say, like either they have stiffness in the joint and that produce cracking sounds, especially the knee joint. So I thought today I should make a video regarding this so that it will solve the problem for many people, because this is the common question for most of the people, or most of the times they say it's not swollen but it produces some crackling sounds and we are not aware of it, like why this, with the movement of especially knee joint, why we are facing this kind of sounds. Of course, there is a modern aspect to it, whether it can be osteoarthritis or the beginning of arthritis or many other variety of arthritis are there. I will focus more from the Ayurveda perspective, because anyway when you go to your doctor or especially your ortho specialist, so they make you aware about the terms osteoarthritis. But here I will try to explain about the health of joints and how these cracking sounds are produced according to Ayurveda perspective, because as we know Ayurveda is more about diet, lifestyle. Whatever your medicine you are taking is fine, but still you need to change your lifestyle, your diet patterns, your various kind of habits, so that your joints will become more and more healthy. So regarding that, you need to start the change from the beginning, like you need to remove the root cause, and to remove the root cause we need to understand the root cause, that is in which Ayurveda will help us very well. So let's see what is the reason behind these cracking sounds, why these cracking sounds happens, or why these stiffness of joints start. So let's see what Ayurveda has to say about it, because modern aspect there is different kind of approach or protocol which we follow also. Like when patient comes, if somebody is from if you need to go through modern diagnosis, their diagnosis way of diagnosing is entirely different, because as we know Ayurveda is more focused on lifestyle changes and all these chronic ailments whatever people are feeling, Ayurveda focus on the root cause of these chronic ailments. So I thought I will make this video to explain the root cause and what are the do's and don'ts that people can do in their daily day-to-day life, so that they can make their joint healthy and prevent them from more damage or decay. So let's tackle the first joint problem, that is a lot of cracking sound. Like when people say, like when they are moving, they are sitting, they are standing, even they are walking, their joints are producing a lot of cracking sounds. So according to Ayurveda, this happens whenever you have imbalance of Vata dosha. As we know, Vata dosha is responsible for all the movements that are happening in the body. That can be circulation of the blood, that can be circulation of nerve impulses or much more. So everything what is happening, moving, whatever movement is happening in the body, according to Ayurveda principle, it is governed by Vata dosha. So whenever there is imbalance in Vata dosha for some reason, then it not only affect your circulation but also affect your metabolism, that it will affect your digestive fire, that food will not be processed properly, not transformed properly, and body's capability to absorb minerals and nutrients from the food will become less. As a result, your bone tissue is not able to get enough nutrients from the blood. Ultimately, it start going weakening up, especially in the age of late ages, like for example above 60 years of age or 70 years of age. These kind of problems are very common, and that's why the degeneration of bones got started, because your body will not have enough calcium, especially in a woman who went through menopause. So there is no proper absorption of calcium, because people are not aware of the fact that how to take care of their diet. They are not taking a diet that is full of nutrients and minerals, and especially fruits in their diets, and also they are not paying attention towards yoga, towards health, towards walking, towards exercise. So how this lifestyle is extremely important, people are not aware of that. That's why they land into these kind of problems, in which proper absorption of calcium from the blood is not happening, and as a result your bone tissue start becoming weakening, and when this weakening happens, ultimately it will land into arthritis, you can say, or in the very beginning state the cracking sounds start coming. That is because of degeneration of bones. It means means that is high sign that you start paying attention towards your joint. Try to have that food which is more of vata balancing if you want to protect your joints. So how you can do it, what is the vata balancing food and what is the vata balancing lifestyle? Vata balancing food is very simple, like you try to involve more and more sweet fruits in your diet, you try to involve more and more sweet, salty and little bit of sour things in your diet. And if you have diabetes, then please don't take the juicy sweet fruits, because as you know, in diabetes sweet is totally prohibited. Anything that is sweet you cannot eat. So it is also valid on fruits also. You need to be very selective in choosing fruits. But if you don't have diabetes and if you want to balance your vata dosha, you can switch on to more sweet fruits, natural fruits, and focus on seasonal sweet fruits rather than off-season sweet fruits, because off-season sweet fruits do not contain that much nutrients which a seasonal fruit will contain.